Pretz. Right off the bat, get rid of that crap. I'm not going to the movie theater to eat vegetables, okay? Hey everybody, my name's Andrew Ray from Binging with Babish, and I'm here to talk to you about my movie theater snack essentials. So what I'm gonna be doing today is pitting movie theater snacks against one another and seeing which one comes out on top. Let's get messy. First up, we have gummy candies. We have Haribo Gummy Bears versus Sour Patch Kids. As much as I love gummy bears, first off, you have to sneak them in the movie theater. You can't buy these at the movie theater. I'll tell you why. When you get a pack of these, what you need to do is this. You need to open them up and let them sit for about a week. I like for them to be about as hard as a naturally formed lava rock. I like for them to really put up a fight. I like stale gummy bears, I do. I like stale Sour Patch Kids too, but I'll also take them fresh if need be, because these are my favorite gummy candy. These are my favorite gummy candy. I once ate so many of these, I had to go to the doctor because I had literal burns on my mouth from all the sour. Did the same thing with Warheads too, way easier to do. This, it took some work, it took some doing, it took some expertise. So, these are the winner. So, next up we have Junior Mints versus Snow Caps, and there is only one clear winner here. Those are worse chocolate chips. These are better Thin Mints. I love these. I said I wasn't gonna eat any of these, but I'm gonna eat every single thing you throw at me, probably, because these are so good, especially if you get them at just the right consistency. Let's see what kind of temperature these guys have been hanging out at recently. Oh my God. That's perfect. I never get these myself. Somebody I go to the movies with always gets one of these, and I always take some. And if you give me some, I'm always doing that. I'm just making a mess of myself. Getting in my beard, saving some for later. They're the best. I love Junior Mints. There's no competition between these and chocolate chips with sprinkles on them. Fuck out of here. Next up. So here we have the pantheon of chocolate-covered things. We have chocolate-covered cookie dough bites, chocolate-covered raisins, AKA raisin nuts, and we have milk duds. Right off the bat, get rid of that crap. I'm not going to the movie theater to eat vegetables, okay? What I am here to do is eat a whole bunch of chocolate and sugar. And now, this is really gonna depend on the quality of the milk duds. If these are old, actually it's kind of good both ways, isn't it? Because when they're old, they get really chewy. But when they're young, when they're fresh, that's better. They are softer. These feel well-aged. These feel like they've been around the block. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be pulling that out of my teeth for the next half hour. These are fresh as a daisy. Let's see if I can actually catch one of them. Oh, but not as good as I remember them. I remember this being so impossibly good. This one goes to Milk Duds. I'm sorry, Cookie Dough Bites, you're one of my all-time faves. Something about the really stale caramel and just like the old-timey chocolate and this really like 70s looking box. There's something special about it. And I think it's gonna take the chocolate-covered game by storm. What's next? Oh no, you guys are trying to get me killed? Twizzlers versus Red Vines. All right, Twizzlers versus Red Vines, and I have an astonishing admission to make. I have never tried Red Vines in my life. Do Red Vines have the hole in the middle? Already advantage Red Vines. Like, I love the idea of being able to plunge this into my Diet Pepsi. I don't drink Diet Pepsi. Oh, they taste awful. They taste awful. It tastes like, I'm sorry. Now I feel the need to clean that up. Now I don't want somebody to have to pick that up with their hands. Oh, but that straw though, that straw, that could do some serious beverage sucking right now. I'm coming out loud and proud against Red Vines Pro Twizzler. All right, what's next? The battle of the savory carbs. Who will come out on top? Find out tonight on First We Feast. We have buttered popcorn, extra butter, and we have a warm pretzel with cheese sauce. Granted, this is not the one that you get at the actual movie theater. This is an Auntie Anne's pretzel, but I'm gonna try to be, objective, because this is Auntie Anne's pretzel. I'd rather have this than a steak dinner, honestly. I don't know why I'm eating it. Oh, it's so stale. Why am I doing this? Can't seem to stop. It's still happening. And now I'm putting it in my... Oh. Those do not travel well. Shit. Definitely have to give this one to popcorn. The movie theater pretzels are worse than this is now. They're pretty flavorless. They're like New York City street pretzels, which I'm a New Yorker because I've lived here for the requisite 10 years. Those are just garbage. Movie theater popcorn, however, cannot be emulated at home. It is physically impossible unless you have the combination of Flavacol, a giant popcorn machine that's been making popcorn since the 90s, and a stoned teenager doing it for you. It's not gonna come out the same. And I doubt you have those three things in your house. You might, but I doubt it. This guy's gonna take the crown. It's movie theater popcorn. What kind of psycho would I be if in the movie theater snacks episode I didn't choose popcorn? I'm not trying to get shot. So there you have it, folks. Some obvious choices, some controversial picks, and a whole lot of fun. Check out my channel, Binging with Babish. I'm Andrew Ray, and this has been Snacked.